Hello friends, today we are going to study half subtractor circuit. So half subtractor is a circuit which subtracts two inputs A and B, and outputs will be borrow and difference. Now AB can take four values 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Now 0 minus 0, difference is 0, borrow is not needed. 0 minus 1, difference is 1, borrow is 1. 1 minus 0, difference is 1, borrow is not needed. 1 minus 1, both are 0 0. Now we will solve equation of borrow and difference. For that we will draw K-map for borrow. So it is going to be two variable K-map. So two variable K-map is very simple. Just draw box with two rows and two columns. Now A and B are name of variables which can take two values 0 and 1. Now values of cells will be 0 1 2 3. Now borrow is 1 at 1. These are decimal equivalent of this binary number. 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 2 in decimal, 1 1 is 3 in decimal. Now borrow is 1 at 1, so at 1 we will write 1. Now this will be group number 1, and equation of group number 1 will become A is 0, B is 1, will become A bar B. Whichever is 0 we will make it bar, so A bar, and B is 1, therefore B. Therefore we got borrow is equal to group number 1, borrow is equal to A bar B. Okay, now let's solve K-map for difference. Again we will need a two variable K-map. With variable names AB 0 1 0 1 are values of AB 0 1 2 3. Now difference is 1 at 1 and 2, at 1 and 2. This will be group number 1, this will be group number 2. So let's find equation of group number 1 and 2. Now for equation number 1, A is 1, B is 0, so we will get A B bar. For this one, A is 0, B is 1, so A bar B. Therefore difference is summation of all groups, addition of all groups. So finally we will get difference is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. You can write in any order. So this is nothing but A XOR B. So we got equation for borrow and equation for difference. Now let's draw diagram for it. So diagram is very simple. A and B. Now we will connect NOT gate to A, and this line will become A bar. Now for borrow we want A bar into B, so for into we will use AND gate. So A bar and B are the input, so output will become A bar into B, which is borrow. Now for this we need A XOR B, so we will use XOR gate, A XOR B, which is difference. Therefore we will join A and B. Now this circuit diagram is called as half subtractor. So we got one truth table of half subtractor, K-map for borrow, K-map for difference, and finally circuit diagram of half subtractor. Thank you.